Here is some ginger garlic chicken. I do hope that you will enjoy this video. Please remember to like the video. Stay tuned. Here I have some seasoned chicken thighs that I will be preparing, some ginger garlic chicken. There I have a little ginger, some chili flakes, and some garlic. When I seasoned my chicken, I use this instant ginger mix. I use 2 packets on the chicken that I seasoned, and I will be lightly coating this with a little cornstarch. No egg wash, no water. I will only be using a little bit of cornstarch to lightly coat this chicken to have it fried golden brown. Cornstarch helps to give crisp to your chicken when you're frying. Also, I chose not to use egg or anything like that because it would be time consuming. So I just use the regular cornstarch. I will be frying this in a little vegetable oil, not a lot. I know that fried foods are not good for us, and once you see I do a video where I am frying foods, I try to reduce the vegetable oil, although it does not take away the health issues that we might come upon with this. I still try to reduce the amount. So I add my chicken thighs to my oil and I will fry each side for at least 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown, not charred. I'll fry this, then I'll just switch sides. Welcome to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please remember to set your notification bell. Please remember to like the video. Please remember to leave a comment. Remember now, home cooked meals are healthy. Home cooked meals are cheap. Home cooked meals can be time consuming, however, it will not be a big drop in your pocket. So consider home cooked meals are the best. We might not have the time, but they are the best. Here I have my chicken fried, golden brown, crispy. It can be eaten that way because I seasoned. However, I will be coating this in my sauce, which you will see on my next slide that I will be preparing. So for my sauce, I use a little olive oil. I used some chili flakes, a little sugar, some ginger, and some garlic. I use the regular garlic that you dice, and I will also be using a little minced garlic. I did not remember I had it, so I diced additional garlic up. Here I added my chicken broth. It helps to add flavor to your meals. I added a little rice vinegar. Then I added a little sesame oil. Then next I will be adding a little soy sauce, not a lot, just a little, because I don't want the chicken to be too dark. So I added a little, and I will be adding just a little bit of honey to get a little tangy sauce. And then you will see that little red sauce. It is called sriracha. It is an American pepper, more like our Jamaican hot pepper. It is not very hot. For persons, if you don't like ginger, if it's too spicy, then you can reduce your ginger and add more garlic. Here I am adding in my chicken pieces into the sauce, and I will add an additional amount of sesame oil into this. This helps to bring up the flavor of the chicken. Then I will just need to mix everything into the tangy sauce that I made, and I will not need to cook the chicken for a long while. I would say within another 3 to 5 minutes, the chicken should be ready. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. I'm here preparing home cooked meals, which are very essential, important, and also economical. Here is my ginger garlic chicken, looking colorful, looking nice. I ate this with some veggies. You can choose to use white rice, you can choose any staple of your choice. Remember now, this is my way. Everyone does things their way. This is my way, and it tasted really, really good. And I do hope that you will try this recipe out also. Ginger garlic chicken. It tasted really, really delicious. Look at the color. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for the support. Please remember to like the video. Please remember to share the video. Set your notification bell and leave a comment if you would like, and I will definitely respond back to your comment. Stay tuned. See you soon in another video. Big up, big up, big up all my viewers, my subscribers, my watchers. Big up yourself. For those who don't understand my patois, big up yourself. Big up, big up, big up. Make sure you give me some likes on this. Stay tuned.